Hi dear students, this is teacher Adam Lee. This is my first video introducing the irregular conjugation of Korean words. So for the first video, we are going to learn about the conjugation of words ending with the vowel u. So by saying vowel u, I actually mean the final consonant, the final vowel within the stem of words such as 크다, 쓰다, 아프다, 예쁘다. As you can see, they all have a vowel u in the end and do not have a final consonant. So for here, I want you to pay attention that we don't include word that ends with the syllable l here, although they have a vowel u in it. Okay. So before we start conjugating, I actually want to summarize the particle categories of Korean. So in the first category, we have the particles that do not change the stem of the word, such as 고, 지요, 지만. No matter what kind of word they are following, they do not change the stem. For example, we have the 크고, 크지요, 크지만. The word stem 크 is not changed. So the next category, we have particles that requires us to look at the final consonant of the word. So as you can see, these particles have an optional u in it. If we have the final consonant in the word stem, we use u. If not, we do not use them. So as I said just now, the u category word does not, they do not have the final consonant, so we just add them, such as 크세요, 클 거예요, 큰. Okay, well, the difficulties that we have in vowel u is the particle that requires us to look at the vowel within the word stem. So as you can see in this category, they have a option that a and o, which stands for the bright vowel and dark vowel. So let's take a closer look at the conjugation in this category. So yeah, we are using the word sentence ending, honorific ending, ayu and ayu as the examples. So this is a very easy word to be big, 크다. So when we get to this, how will this become? 크다 plus ayu and ayu. So the first thing we do, of course, is to get rid of the da in the end. And we see the vowel in this syllable is a dark vowel as we at the topic of today. So we got the idea that we should select ayu as the dark vowel that we are using. So what result do we get? It looks like math, but it's not actually. We get koyo. So what we can observe here is that we are actually deleting the u in this syllable to get koyo. Another example, we have the word to write or to use. The same, we apply it with ayo to get sayo. Okay, so up to now, we are just talking about words that has a stem with a single syllable. What happens to those words that with a more than one syllables? For example, we have puda, 슬프다. Both have two syllables in the stem and also ending with the vowel u. So what we look at here is actually the first syllable, the vowel in the first syllable of these words. in the case of 아프다, we have the vowel a, which is a bright vowel. And looking at the word 슬프다, we have which is a dark vowel in the first syllable. So respectively, we add them with 아요 and 어요, which stands for the bright vowel and dark vowels in this particle. To get the result, we have, before we get the result, we do that again. We delete the in these word stems to get 아파요 and 슬퍼요. Do you get it? Okay, let's summarize it. So for one syllable, for example, 드, we apply it with 어요 to get 떠요. And for here, we're deleting the ending vowel. Okay, for more than one syllables, and starting with a dark vowel in the first syllable, we have 예쁘다. And in the same way, we add 어요 to it to get 예뻐요. And what if we have more than one syllables and start with a bright vowel? For example, 바쁘다. We are applying it with 아요 to get 바빠요. And once again, word ending with 르 does not apply to this rule. Okay, if you have more questions, please leave a comment. Otherwise, please solve those questions that I have below this video. Thanks for watching.